We can output multiple object property values in a single line of text, as shown in this script. Here, we have a variable object named person. This object has 4 different properties: first name, last name, age, and eye color. Using our getElementById output method, we can call multiple property values to form a sentence. Each value, in addition to the first one, can be added with a plus sign. The text strings in between the variable properties must be in quotes. This particular script will list the first property value, which is the first name. So for example, John has, and then the eye color property, so in this case blue. John has blue eyes. That will be the output in our web browser, and we can test that by launching this script in our web browser. And as you can see here, it outputs the correct sentence.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.